There are only 5 exercises that can transform your entire body. Sounds strange, I know, but trust me. Many of you will thank me when you finally see the results you've been chasing. Most of the workouts you do daily give you nothing in return, except regret. Why? Because either your form is wrong or the exercise simply doesn't match your body goals. That's why I'm here to share 5 powerful moves that hit both your upper and lower body. And the best part? These are for everyone, whether you're 25 or 60. No fancy gym needed, just consistency and endurance. Now, let's break down each exercise one by one. Number 1. The wall push-ups. Every beginner dreams of doing clean push-ups, but let's be real. Most of you struggle and end up quitting. Either your arms collapse or your form falls apart, right? And for older men who still have the desire but feel too weak, it feels impossible. But don't worry, I've got the solution: the wall push-up. Wall push-ups are way easier than standard push-ups. Why? Because the wall takes away some of the load. That means you can build strength, nail your form, and slowly prepare for floor push-ups without the frustration. Plus, it reduces the pressure of gravity, making the move lighter and safer. And here's the best part: they still hit your upper body hard, especially your chest, triceps, and shoulders. A simple move, but super effective. To perform a wall push-up, all you'll need is a wall. Stand around an arm's length from the wall with your feet hip-width apart. Place both palms on the wall at around shoulder-level height and shoulder-width apart, with your fingers pointed toward the ceiling. If you feel like you're reaching too far, move your feet closer to the wall. Slowly bend your elbows and begin to lean your body toward the wall until your nose almost touches it. Keep your back straight and elbows bending at around a 45-degree angle. Slowly push back to the starting position. Number 2. The arm circle. Many of you will be struggling with lifting groceries, any type of manuka work, house chores, weightlifting in gym raking leaves, and handling children. What it requires specifically: the shoulders and grip strength. And the arm circle do it at once. Arm circle are a form of dynamic warm-up stretching exercise, which prepare your muscles to execute the work optimally. What it targets the most: your shoulders, trapezius, biceps, and triceps. It is perform until you feel enough burn rather than number of reps and sets. Let's do it with right form. Stand up and extend your arms straight out by your sides. Your arms should be placed parallel to the floor and perpendicular to your torso. You should place your feet shoulder-width apart. This will be your starting position. Slowly start to make small circles of about a foot in diameter with each of your outstretched arms at about shoulder height. With your arms forwards, breathe normally as you perform the range of motion. Continue to do the circular motion that you have started with your outstretched arms for about 10 seconds. Finally, reverse the movement as you continue to do the full exercise in the opposite direction. Keep your head raised up and your body in a T formation at hip width during the entire exercise. Number 3. The wall angels. These days, most of us spend hours hunched over desks, laptops, or phones. Over time, that slumped or forward-flexed posture starts to take a toll. Your back muscles work hard just to keep you upright, but as they fatigue, your shoulders round, your head drifts forward, and your lower back rolls under. This is where wall angels come in. It's a single move that does double duty, strengthening the muscles in your upper back while stretching the tight areas in your neck, chest, and core. To do this exercise with right form, stand with your feet approximately 6 to 8 inches away from the wall. Rest your butt, back, shoulders, and head against the wall. Attempt to begin with a neutral spine by drawing your belly button toward your spine. Draw your ribs in and down, feeling the back of your rib cage connect to the wall, while your lower back remains slightly away from the wall. Tuck your chin slightly, attempting to get the back of your head to touch the wall. If it's difficult to get your head on the wall, try placing a small pillow behind your head. Next, reach your arms straight up and put them on the wall overhead, aiming to get the back of your hands to touch the wall in a V position. Then begin to bend your elbows as you slide your hands down the wall until your hands are just above your shoulders. Meanwhile, keep your head, trunk, and butt against the wall. Lower only as much as you can. At the lowest point, hold for a count of 5 before returning to the V starting position while maintaining alignment. Repeat 5 to 10 reps, stopping if your muscles can no longer hold the postural alignment without pain. Now it's turn to strengthen your lower body. Number 4. The chair squat. If you have faced an accident, you will have observed that after recovery, you feel very weak and many of them are unable to walk properly due to weakness. Then it becomes critical to build up strength. The chair squat exercise is a great way to achieve that goal. The exercise helps you when you need to squat at a public facility toilet, such as a travel stop or airport, without making contact with the seat. Let's do it. The right form. Grab a chair, stand just in front of it, facing away from it. Your feet should be shoulder-width apart, with toes pointing straight ahead. Keep your spine neutral and head and chest raised. Engage your core as you bend knees and lower your hips, down and back. You can lift your arms out in front for extra balance while you lower yourself down. Gently tap the chair with your butt, but don't sit down. Squeeze glutes and hamstrings to drive your hips forward and up, returning to the starting position. Try doing 3 sets of 10 reps. Number 5. The calf raises. The calves are often ignored when it comes to weight training, but they're an instrumental part of many activities, from walking and running to jumping and reaching. Add standing calf raises to your lower body workout to make all of these actions easier. Working on your calf muscles enhances your physical performance and contributes to overall balance and stability. They don't require weights or other equipment. Standing calf raises are an easy exercise to perform at home, at the gym, and when traveling. To do it with the right form, stand on an exercise or yoga mat with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing forward. Keep your back straight, shoulders back and down, and abs pulled in. Raise your heels slowly, keeping your knees extended. Pause for 1 second when you're standing as much on the tips of your toes as you can. Lower your heels back to the ground, returning to the starting position.